Hello, welcome to the GBS Tooth. Today we'll be doing a brief introduction to Microsoft Office Word application. Microsoft Word Office application is just like any other word processing software out there, which can be used to type documents, and you may have a letter you want to type. Probably you want to file a report, you want to do an ebook, you want to compile a blog, and another or other office or personal document that you may have. There are several alternatives to Microsoft Word. We have the WPS, which is the WPS Office. We also have the WordPad, which comes with the Microsoft Office Windows. Microsoft Windows. Alternatively, there are other word processing applications out there. We have the Google Docs. We have LibreOffice. We have OpenOffice. But the most used is the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office Word. So today I'm going to be covering a bit of introduction of Microsoft Office Word. So we're going to be starting by launching the Microsoft Office Word. If you are on Windows 7, you can just click the round button here, then you scroll down until you can see Microsoft Office. Inside the Microsoft Office folder, you will locate the Microsoft Word application. But if you are on Windows 10, you can continue scrolling down until you see the Word application. Alternatively, you may have it pinned here, or if you used it recently, you can also see it as part of the frequently or the most used application. So I have my own pin in the start menu, and I'm going to launch by clicking on it. So we have the Word application loading. So to do a quick introduction of this area, we have several links here, several commands here that you can use. We have this is the home view. You can have the new. If you want to create a new document, to start a new document, you may probably want to start from a blank document, or you want to use some of these beautiful templates that are available here. For example, if I want to type let's say a letter or a resume, I can just pick a template here, and from that I can begin to type my letter. There are other templates available online, but currently I'm not connected to the internet, but I can actually connect my system with the internet, then type search here search online for templates. So this is also what you can see here from the home. If you click on more templates, it's going to bring me to the new tab here, where I can search for templates. So in the home view, you can see several options there. We have the list of recent application, recent documents that I've worked on. If peradventure you work on a document frequently, you can actually use this button and click on this small pin arrow here to pin this document. Once you pin the document, it actually appear here as a pin document. Then you see it frequently. If you come to this side, you can see the list of pinned documents. So apart from the home, we have the new, where I explained the other time that you can actually get templates to use. Otherwise, you can just use a blank document, or if you have an existing document in your system, you can click on open, and you will be given options as to where to open the document. I have a Dropbox cloud installed. I also have OneDrive, which is from Microsoft Office, Microsoft 2, and alternatively I can click on this PC, where I will I will have to browse through the folders on my system to through the maybe recently used the folder to see some of through my document, and probably open a file from that. Or alternatively, I can click on browse, then pick the browse through my system, and pick the file that I want to use. Say I want to use this file, which is data science. I can just click on data science and click on open, and I will be able to open the document. Okay, so I have the document open, and Okay, so I have the document open, but I'm going to close this for now. I'm going to reopen it again. So we are going to launch the Microsoft Word application once again. Okay, just so that I can just finish with okay, so we have other option, which is the account. If probably your Microsoft Office is not activated, you can see it from here, and also see some other product that I have currently installed on this system. Okay, so I have Excel, I have PowerPoint, I have Outlook, and other Office application installed. The current version of Microsoft Word I'm using is 2016, and if the commands in my user interface is different from yours, you may want to come here to check if this is actually, if you're actually on Microsoft Office Word 2016. So I can change the background here. You can see there are beds here. I currently have Spring, but I can actually change the background to different options here. But I don't know. I would just I think I would just prefer to just maybe leave it at there. But okay, let me just change this to cloud, maybe circuit. So you can actually change. You can also change the color. I think you can change to dark gray. You can change to white. But for me, I just prefer the colorful, where you will be able to see it at the game. We have feedback. Probably you want to send some feedback to Microsoft Office or Microsoft on the application, and also we have option is just like the setting, where you can do some adjustment on how the Microsoft Microsoft Word application behaves. We have the option for display. If you want to change some things on how, maybe you want to print document properties, you want to print it in text. Under proofing, you may want to change the way the application proofs your document, if you want it to ignore words that are written in uppercase. So usually Microsoft ignore words, typographical errors in words that are written in uppercase. So if I should tick this place, it means that Word will actually check words that are written in uppercase, that is in capital letter. So I come to language settings and change the preferred language. If I want to write in maybe other language, say French, and other languages, Arabic, so I can actually come here and pick the language I'll be writing with. Probably maybe in Yoruba. Yeah, I have Yoruba installed, so I can pick the Yoruba language and say I want to write my document in Yoruba. I'm just going to cancel this so that we can just dive into the main Microsoft Word window. So you can see data science, the document I just opened a while ago, is now appearing here as part of the recent document. So I'm going to click on blank document, which you probably are you're going to be using the most. So I will do a brief introduction of this window to get us started. The advanced part we will get to use as we proceed in this course.